is up, guys? I'm Shemaine, and welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today we are bringing Barbie to the table. Yes, Barbie. I am going to be upcycling a dress and turning myself into Barbie. I'm so glad this Barbie movie is out because I look so crazy dressing up like Barbie. But I have a Barbie doll that I bought about 5 years ago, and I've been wanting to make this dress for the longest, and today we are doing it. Let me introduce you to my Barbie Look Collection doll. She is beautiful. I am going to be doing the hair, the makeup, the earrings, the shoes, the handbag, everything that this doll has in this box. We're going to be recreating, well, we're going to recreate the dress, but the style and the look, I'm going to be thrifting those pieces and putting the look together. So this is the Barbie Look doll, and look at her earrings. So I have some silver earrings that are chandelier earrings, kind of similar to that. They're not hoops, but they're cute. My hair is, I have my hair kind of styled like that right now. I have my scarf on so I can really make the look pop. She has a nice natural look makeup, which I really like, so I can recreate that look. And then the dress. Now let's look at this dress. Beautiful sequin dress. I love this. It has some patent leather like on the top, and it's really cute. Let's look at her shoes. So she has some black sandals, which are really cute. And this is her makeup. She has her phone because she is a digital heir Barbie. She is on Instagram, you know, she wants to get her looks in. And then she has her makeup and her lipstick, her cell phone, her handbag. And also, let's see, Barbie got what, 28.5 thousand hearts on this look. Let's see if I can get 28.5 thousand hearts on my look. And of course, this is the makeup, the handbag, and all of her accessories. So we are going to be recreating this look. I am so excited about doing this. So we're going to go to the intro, show you guys how to subscribe to my channel, and to let you know where else you can find me on social media, and see you in a minute in my design studio.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even though
So I have these 3 dead stock sequin skirts that I'm going to be using to create the Barbie dress. I was so happy to have these skirts. I'm like, this is exactly the color that I need to make these dresses. So we're going to take these apart and use these. And then I have these patent leather boots that I've worn a couple of times, but I want to do an upcycle with them. So it requires me cutting them. So I'm just going to use the part that I cut off for the top of this dress. And then I'll do another video where I'm going to show that I upcycled these boots. So I'm going to be cutting off about an inch above the zipper. And I'm going to use that fabric to create the top part of the dress from the Barbie dress. So I'm just going to measure and cut. Okay, so these boots went from thigh high to ankle boots, but I'm going to be doing a cute upcycle with these, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm going to set them to the side, and I am going to use the remaining fabric to create the top part of the dress. So this is the top part, and I'm just going to open these up and then sew them together. So after I sew these together, I'm going to set it aside, and I'm going to start working on the body of the dress. So I'm going to use my seam ripper to deconstruct these sequin skirts. I'm going to remove the waistband and the lining, and I'm just going to use the sequin part to create the dress. And I'm just going to pin all three pieces together and kind of see where we're going. So let's take a look and see how these pieces look pinned all together. So far you can see the dress kind of coming to life here, but I'm going to actually pin all these pieces to another dress. So to make this thrift flip a lot faster, I'm just going to sew the sequin part onto this stretchy bodycon dress. Since all the fabrics are stretchy, the sequin is stretchy, the bodycon dress is stretchy, so I'm just going to sew them right on top of this dress, and it matches perfectly. So now I'm just going to draft a quick pattern for the patent leather section of the dress. It has these cute cutouts, and also the patent leather fabric is not stretchy, so I have to create a pattern that is going to fit. So I'm just going to do that right now. So we are done with the dress, and it was a little challenging because I'm mixing like stretchy fabrics with patent leather from the shoes, so that was a little bit of a challenge, but it's okay. We got it. So let me pick the accessories. So I did find a purse that I thrifted that kind of reminds me of the bag that Barbie is carrying. It's a really cute little clutch. So this is the bag I'm going to be carrying. Let's go find some earrings and shoes. Okay, so shoes, she had on patent leather. I can either use Louboutins or, let me see, I think I have some Jimmy Choos I think they'd be cute with. Let's see if we can find a Jimmy Choo. Okay, here we go. I think these are better. I'll pick these Jimmy Choo. Oh, where's the other one? Here it is. Okay, so these are going to be my shoes. So let's go find some earrings. And these are the earrings. These are cute. Okay, so let's go back to the bathroom and start a makeup look. Okay, so my hair is already done. It's being set right now, and we're gonna go ahead and do the makeup. So Barbie had a nice natural makeup look, which is the look I love to do. So that should be pretty easy. So let's go ahead and get started.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere.
Okay, the makeup's done. Let's take off this scarf and see how the hair is doing. Okay, we got the look. We got the look, guys. We got the look. We got the look. Okay, let's get the earrings on. And when I come back, I'm going to be Barbie.
To Vegas in my blue striped car. She's riding shotgun and she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart.
This video has been so much fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And if you like videos like this, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of my Good Vibe tribe and have fun with me and enjoy this YouTube journey. So thanks again so much. This has just been great, and I will see you guys again in the next one. Bye.
The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she